Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Honor 50. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and click on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Nokia. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, you need to choose Receive on Honor and Send on Nokia smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, like that one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Honor, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and choose Receive. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!